Welcome back to Primetime News.
And a special welcome once again to our viewers on TVJ International in the Cayman Islands and online at onespotmedia.com.
There's major worry from stakeholders this evening after the death of 6 people in just 3 days in road crashes in Trelawny.
The latest incident happened this morning in which 2 people died. And once again, speeding is a factor.
Now, the Trelawny police are revisiting their strategies to prevent more carnage on the roads in that parish. The details from Sandy Williams.
These 2 cars, visibly smashed, tell the tale of a deadly crash on a section of the Spring Hill Main Road in Trelawny. The incident, which occurred Tuesday morning, resulted in the deaths of 62-year-old taxi operator Baron Bryan of Duncan's and 31-year-old Roderick Ray of Samuel Prospect, both in Trelawny. Commanding officer for the parish, Deputy Superintendent of Police Winston Milton, confirmed the men were drivers of the now mangled vehicles.
The driver of a Toyota Axia motor car was proceeding in an easterly direction, and the driver of the Vaxi in an opposite direction, that is the westerly direction. When the driver of the Axia lost control of the vehicle, which hit a guardrail to its left, and which pushes it into the part of the oncoming Toyota Vaxi motor car. It is evident, based on the damage done to both vehicles, that at least one or both vehicles were speeding at the time of the impact.
The brother of one of the deceased says he was at work when he got the call about the crash.
Same time, I have supervisor talk to him, give me okay for the left out same time. When I come up on the road, get another call and say dead.
Myself as a driver, I have to do it on the road, and it just helps me to be more responsive, and I think one of the things that is causing some of the accident most is that we don't practice defensive driving.
This latest incident is the second fatal crash in the parish in 3 days. On Sunday, 4 people were killed in a 2-vehicle collision along the Rock Main Road. DSP Milton says the police will be revisiting its approach to clamp down on motorists who continue to breach the speed limit.
We have been prosecuting relentlessly along this corridor. As a matter of fact, during the course of this week alone, we have issued over 600 traffic tickets. We'll definitely look at the strategy that we have been using, because there is a possibility that we may now have to look at inserting covert presence or covert units with uniformed police personnel along this corridor. And we are continuously urging our motorists to be careful on the road and abide by the speed limit. Obey the speed signs and save lives, as the life you save may be your very own.
Sandy Williams, TVJ News.